Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to download and install Roblox on your PC. All you have to do is go to Google Chrome or any browser you have on your PC and then go to search and then type Roblox and then go to the official website, click on download, here is it, and then click on download Windows app. As you can see now it's downloading it right here, and when it's done, click on it and to install Roblox. Click on the installer. As you can see right now, it's installing Roblox. And after the installation is finished, as you can see right now, it's installed on our PC. Right now, you can sign into your account and play Roblox on your PC. Or you can create a new account if you don't have one. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.